shipping changes.
Hey, what's going on, Rockstars? Welcome into the RockstarFlipper YouTube channel. Mother's Day weekend, so thank you to all the moms out there. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Make sure if your mother's here, or if you are a mom, you have a great day, wonderful weekend, and make sure they treat you good, take you to dinner, breakfast. If you don't have a mom, or you're not a mom, then enjoy a relaxing weekend. So I got a lot of requests, people who wanted to sign up for Amazon training or my training class Trio to show just how easy it is to list an item on Amazon, start to finish. And it's actually really quick. It's something I can show you in 5 minutes once you sell up for an Amazon seller account. Remember, Amazon seller account is different than a normal Amazon buying account. You'll need to sign up for it. It is $40 a month. You can sell unlimited items. However, if you don't sign up for a pro account and it's free, you can list as many items as you want, but you will pay $1 per item when it sells extra. So obviously if you went over 40 sold items, it would make more sense to have a pro account. It makes more sense to have a pro account anyways. When you compare that $40 cost to an eBay store, it's less than a premium, but more than a basic store. So you're right there in the middle, but you can sell unlimited. There's no insertion fees when you go over, etc. So the $40 is a really good price. So I want to take you over to my computer, show you the A to Z step-by-step of listing a product and knowing exactly what you're doing on Amazon. And I'll link below if you want to know the rest of Amazon, how to ship, how to get paid, how to do FBA, how to do FBM, how to do wholesale and sourcing and private label and returns and everything about Amazon, start to finish, in celebration of Mother's Day. I'll give you guys a 25% off discount for that training, whether it's just the Amazon or whether you get all three, eBay, Amazon, and Poshmark Trio, the bundled package. They'll all be linked below, so you can use those links. The discount code is RockstarFlipper25. When you go to checkout, just use that code and you will get 25% off your purchase. Anything that you buy also on my website, which is also linked below. For this weekend only, I'll turn it off on Monday morning. I can't give my mom a gift because she went to Hawaii. Hate you, Mom. Love you, but hate you for that. Enjoy Hawaii, but since I can't give her a gift, I'll give it to you guys. So let's go over to my computer, check out Amazon listing 101, A to Z, how to make a product start to finish. And I'm gonna do it on my inactive Amazon account. We have two because we have two businesses, and I have one that I keep from you guys. Unfortunately, I can't share that one because a lot of people tried to troll it. This is the one that I don't use anymore, so I can show you guys how to make a listing on this one with no worries. Let's do it. Okay, so here we are on the Amazon seller page. Now, you're just gonna come up here. This is how easy it is. Once you sign in to the Amazon Seller Central, this is what it looks like. Just go up to the left and hit Catalog, Add Product. So I went ahead and opened that in a new tab, which I'll go ahead and do for you guys. And it's gonna bring you to this page. This is the Add New Product page. Now, you can do this other ways. This is just the one way that I'm gonna show you is really, really quick. So I don't really have an idea of like a product that you guys have submitted to me, but I'm just gonna go ahead and do one that's a video game that I've sold a lot of. Let's just say I'm selling Grand Theft Auto 5 for the PlayStation 4, right? So I'm just gonna search for that item. And after I do the search for it, it's gonna come up with results right down here, okay? Now, if your item is not already in the Amazon catalog, you see right up here at the top, it says, if it's not in the Amazon catalog, create a new product listing. So I'm not gonna go over how to create a brand new catalog product listing here. That is in my training program. That's in the step-by-steps. I have a video all about that. It shows you what to do if your item's not in the catalog. You'll have to get the training to see how to do that. But in the meantime, here are the variations. Now, there's tons of variations. Somebody might say, what's the difference? Typically, you want to go with the very first one that's up here, right? So it's going to say show variations. We're going to click that. Now, it's got two variations, Grand Theft Auto 5 for the PC, it's a download, or Grand Theft Auto 5 for the PlayStation 4 with a sales rank of 50. If we look at this second one variation-wise, this has a higher sales rank, 462, and then there's a limited edition. So you typically want to go with this first one if it's at all possible. Now, if we look at the PC download, now I already know this, it's not available to sell. Look, you are not approved to list this product. We're not accepting applications. Why? Because it's a PC digital download. They're not selling, they're not allowing that. But when we look at the actual video game down here for PlayStation 4, new, collectible, and used, we can sell. Refurbished, you're not allowed to sell. Now, this has nothing to do with my account. Typically, refurbished video games are a no-no. Refurbished discs, they don't allow. Now, that doesn't mean that if you do a cleaning on your video game that it's refurbished. It's not refurbishing. I clean all of my games. They're still used games. I'm just cleaning them and making them look nice. That's like taking a pair of shoes and buffing and polishing it and calling it refurbished. No, they're used shoes. You just clean them up. So that's what I do with my video games and discs. I clean them all. So since I can sell this used PlayStation 4 Grand Theft Auto 5, we'll go ahead and click Sell Yours. And so now it brings it up with the picture of it. Over here, it's got the information, the product name, the ASIN. The original list price for this game was $60. There are 78 new listings starting at $18 and free shipping. The lowest one is $18 and free. There are 4 collectible, and there are 52 used starting at $12.36 plus $4 shipping. So the cheapest one is at $16.35, and it has an Amazon sales rank of 50, which is very, very good for this game. Now, this product is already listed in your inventory. So I've already listed and sold these plenty of times on this account, so that's why it's detecting it. Yours will probably not say this until you have that. Now, down here in the basic view, we have a seller SKU. This would be just like if you were storing your neckties in bin A1A or, A102. So you would list your SKU if you have one. If you don't, no worries. Your condition. Now, this is where you have to be careful. There's an entire page that I go over in my training as well as how Amazon defines condition. Used good, used like new, used acceptable, used very good. Let's say mine's used very good. So then it's going to give me the low price, which is $12.36, and they're charging $3.99 shipping. Now, if you match the low price, it's going to match that $12.36. But you have to make sure that your shipping is set correct. If you have your shipping settings set to free, you're going to be at $12.36 total, not $12.36 plus shipping. If your shipping template is set to $3.99, then you will match that lowest one. If you're set to $3.98, you'll be a penny less, and so on and so forth. Again, in the training program, I cover how to change your shipping settings to free or per item or per weight or etc. so that you're right. Now, of course, the quantity, let's say the pawn shop had 2 of them. So you grab 2 of them, right? Now, the final one is I want to ship this item myself. That's FBM, fulfilled by you, merchant. Or I want Amazon to ship and provide customer service. That's FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. So you'll select which one you want, and you can remember the setting. Let's just say we're fulfilling it myself. And you can do an advanced view, which will allow you to set a starting date, upload your own images if you want. Typically, you don't even need your own images. And then you can, of course, type in condition notes. You could run a sale on it. You could do handling time, restock dates. You could change all of these options, which again, I cover in the training. And finally, you would hit save and finish. Now, I'm not going to do that, but that's it. That's how quickly you can list an item on Amazon. If I wasn't talking you through this, it literally takes a minute to 2 minutes. And that's it. That's as fast as you can do it. If you couldn't list the item, it would have told you. Also on your app, when you're searching these items, it will tell you if the item is restricted and you can't sell it. So you'll know when you're outsourcing that you are looking at an item that you can't sell, and either you need to check it on eBay or you need to leave it alone. So that is Amazon A to Z, how to list an item, the start to finish, quickly, start to pictures, to prices, to shipping, to everything. And I cover all of the rest in the Amazon training class. You can get just Amazon, or you can get Amazon, eBay, and Poshmark as a trio. Again, I'll link everything down below and use that discount code to pick it up for this weekend. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to put out a lot more videos on step-by-step how to do things on different platforms, so keep an eye out for those. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel for all of those updated videos. Have a wonderful weekend, guys, and I will see you next time.